My dear students of class 10, we are continuing the chapter Carbon and its compounds. As we know that a compound containing carbon and hydrogen atoms only is called a hydrocarbon, and hydrocarbon is having three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. In alkanes, carbon-carbon single bonds exist. In alkenes, double bonds, and in alkynes, triple bonds between carbon atoms exist. General formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. For alkenes, CnH2n, and that of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2, where n is the number of carbon. And we know in the chemistry, if number of carbon atoms is 1, then meth prefix is used. For one carbon atom, meth prefix is used. For 2, eth, 3, prop, 4, but, 5, pent, 6, hex, 7, hept, 8, oct, 9, non, 10, dec. That we have to memorize first. Now, elaborating the hydrocarbons, we are going to write the molecular formula of different kinds of hydrocarbons. The first question is, write the molecular formula of methane, ethane and propane. Means all are alkanes. N exists at the last of the name. N suffix is there. That's why these are alkanes. And second question, write the molecular formula of ethene, propene, butene. So here ene exists as suffix, so these are alkenes. Alkene, ene. For alkyne, here ethyne, propyne, butane. So by just seeing the prefix, we can guess whether it is alkanes, alkenes or alkynes. Now here for methane, meth means one carbon atom, so we have to use this formula. C for N we have to write 1, here for N we have to write 1, then it will be CH4. For ethane, eth means two carbon atoms, so in this general formula we have to place N as 2 because it is eth. So C2, H2 into 2 plus 2 becomes C2H6. Similarly for propane, it is 3. Number of carbon atoms is 3. Prop means 3 carbon atoms. So C3H2 into 3 plus 2, because these are alkanes, so we have to use this general formula only. C3H2 into 3 plus 2, that is C3H8. So these are the molecular formula of methane, ethane and propane respectively. Similarly for ethene, we have to write 2 for N, and ene exists here. It is saying that it is a compound of alkene, CnH2n. CnH2n. For N we have to write here 2, N2, N3 and N4. So keeping the values here, we will get C2H4, C3H6 and C4H8 as the formula of ethene, propene and butene. Similarly for ethyne, N equal to 2, propyne N equal to 3 and butane N equal to 4. It should be placed on the general formula of alkynes. Then we will get C2H2, C3H4 and C4H6 respectively. In this way, we can form a number of formula for given compounds. Thank you.